this is the pound. Pound is very interesting for me now, and it's under the big pressure and let's say the influence and manipulation because of this Brexit stuff which is going on. And I was looking at this chart and I was trying to understand what is going on here, and I will try to explain right now. I must start with the monthly. So on the monthly we had this downtrend which was broken up, then the price moved down into the demand zone which was retested. However, it means that the rest of the orders which was here filled and they changed the trend. Here is the accumulation where was this change of this trend. So once the price came back down, they filled the rest of the orders and start to move the price up. And what is going on here, we can see that on the weekly it means already the trend change because we have the new high, lower high and higher highs. So I can draw the trend line, and here is one nice zone. Here is this order block which caused the removal of this zone. So how it was done, so price moved up into the zone, they didn't have enough the power to break it, and then they moved down, accumulated more power here, and then they move it up. So right now the price is moving above these zones, so I think that we will see this this fake out. But let me explain it more clear. Let's look at the daily as well. We have, of course, if the on the weekly is uptrend, we have the we had the uptrend on the daily as well. So this is the uptrend, and now we are in this range, and this demand zone is holding the price above. And as well we can see what is happening here. We can see how the nice trap is being set here. Again, as usual, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. So the traders start to think, okay, it's a strong level, we will go up. And they are actually right, because the price will definitely go up. Why do I think that is? If we look to these banks positions, what they reported, we can see that they rise the longs positions. They still are growing the longs positions, and we can see that we are changing our exposure from the 76% shorts. We are now just 55, and the longs are growing. So what do we see as well is that okay, they added some shorts as well, and now I will explain why I think they adding these shorts and as well they adding the longs. So we can see that the price is now moving in this range, and we all expect it to move up, but it's not. I don't advise to enter yet, because as I said, look, on the weekly we have this zone. Where is the rest of the orders which wasn't filled while they removed this zone? So I expect the price drop down. On the daily we are now, the banks are now filling the orders from this order block, but below we have the one new one and one better one, which I mean the order block which could make for them the much better entry price, for the much better average entry price. And as well, if we look on the 4 hours chart, we had actually this uptrend, right? Then the uptrend was broken, then we had this downtrend. But the thing is that I have all these trend lines, but the thing is that this was the downtrend, alright, because it makes a new lower low. And this was the uptrend because it made new higher high. But since then I saw on many charts of some people these trend lines, but it's wrong actually, because we are not in the trend at the moment. We are in the range until these highs and lows are broken. And what is happening here, I think that we will see this break and a lot of traders will enter the shorts. So what's gonna happen? As we are ranging here and some people are already in the longs, so they put stop loss definitely below these, because we see again these ones that the price is bouncing from the support. So while they will drop the price down, they will hunt these stop losses, and as well the breakout traders will enter their shorts, and this is where they will remove the price. Because what I was thinking, how is all this done? As well, what do I see here is this, look, they just need to finish this wave 5 and it's as well, if we put the Fibo, I don't use the Fibo and this too much, but I put it as a confluences. So okay, I must do it on the other side. It's gonna be 127, right? It's here, so they will probably hunt it here. And right now look at this. So if I put this line and I will sync it to all charts, and now we will look to all time frames. So this is our line, and now check it on the dailies. So simply they will stop hunts everything below this, and look at the weekly. Exactly when it drops down here, they will fill up all their orders. So I think there will be some panic created and some fake move during these news, which we're gonna have the next week. It could be used on this FOMC and this, but definitely I will be looking for the longs below down here. I don't think this could go too much lower, because this demand zone is the strong, as well the weekly zone, and when we have weekly, daily, 4-hour zones will be perfect. And yeah, so this is for me for the weekly, for the pound.